Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Tarun here, and today we are going to talk about major problems that editors face for so many years. So there are so many editors out there who want to develop their skills in photo editing and really passionate about photo editing. But the main problem they face in day-to-day life is they don't have enough or a proper money to spend and buy a good PC which renders high quality images. While downloading heavy softwares like Adobe Photoshop, their PC might not have the efficiency to render the photos quickly as possible, which directly makes the person to lose interest in their passion or the they are doing so. So today I'm going to show you a website which is completely hardware independent and it is totally free of cost, no hidden charges available. It has most of the options like they are present in other photo editors like Adobe Photoshop, etc. Just follow me along. I will just show you the website real quick, and I will also show all the options that is available on that particular website that you can do editing. Open up your browser and type Photo Pea. So this is the website I have been talking about. You can open it for actually saving the changes inside the cloud. You might have to log in with Google or something like that. But if you want to do a real quick editing of a photo, you can just continue without logging. So I'm just going to open a file and drag and drop a image. So this is how the interface looks like. Here you can see all the options that is available in major editing softwares like Adobe, that and all. I would definitely not say that this is the website that outperforms Adobe Photoshop and all other offline softwares out there. The main focus of the video is to show all a way to edit photos which is not hardware dependent. This website is really useful for people who are just starting a new career in Photoshop designs. People who wanted to know or just explore how things work, which tool we have to use for a specific job, which tool we have to avoid for doing a specific job, you can just explore it over here in this website. So this is the video, and I found this method way more efficient and useful for especially for people who are starting their career. So I appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Be hunger about learning new things daily. Thank you.